Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we finished up to 57 questions. Now coming to question number 58. The 58 is given I m comma n equal to integral of cos power mx into sin nx dx. Here we need to find 7i4 comma 3 minus 4i3 comma 2. This value we need to find out. Now first 7i4 comma 3 means m value 4 and n value 3. So here integral of cos power, what will get? Cos power 4x into sin 3x dx minus 4 into integral of cos cube x into sin 2x dx. Just I am substituting the values. Now here 7 into integral of cos power 4x sin 3x, I can write 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x dx. I am converting in the form of in terms of complete cos. Here cos cube x into sin 2x, I can write 2 sin x into cos x dx. Now in this complete value I can take sin x is common. By sin x common, what will get remaining? 3 minus 4 sin square x into sin x into dx minus 4 cos cube into cos, that is cos power 4, 4 2s are 8 cos power 4x into sin x dx. Here still this one we need to convert in terms of cos. Integral 7 into integral cos power 4x 3 minus 4 into, if you write sin square in terms of cos square, what you will get? 1 minus cos square x minus 4 into, that is minus 4 plus 4 cos square x. Directly I am writing into sin x dx minus 8 cos power 4x into sin x dx. Now from this 7 into integral of cos power 4x 4 cos square x and 3 minus 4 is minus 1 into sin x dx minus 8 into cos power 4x into sin x dx. Now in this complete term, the derivative of cos is present here. Okay, derivative of cos is minus sin, but that minus you can take other side. So cos, if you substitute t, derivative of cos is present in this function, two functions. That's why for both functions I am taking cos x equal to t. By taking this, complete function changes to in terms of t. Now differentiate this one with respect to x. What you will get? Minus sin x into dx equal to dt. Send minus that side, you will get sin x dx equal to minus dt. Substitute these values in the given expression. 7 into integral t power 4 into 4t square minus 1 into sin x dx is what? Minus dt minus 8 into integral cos power 4 means t power 4 into sin x dx is minus dt. Multiply minus here, what you will get? 7 into t power 4 into 1 minus 4t square into dt. It will becomes reverse. Minus of minus plus t power 4 8 t power 4 into dt. Now before integrating, just multiply this t power 4 inside. What? 7 into integral t power 4 minus 4 into t power 4 into t square is t power 6 into dt plus 8 into t power 4 into dt. Now we can integrate easily because all the terms change in terms of x power n formula. That is 7 into t power 5 by 5 minus 4 into t power 7 by 7 plus 8 into, this is how much you will get? T power 5 by 5 plus c. 7 multiply inside, 7 by 5 t power 5, 7 cancel, minus 4 t power 7 plus 8 by 5 t power 5 plus c. These two terms, LCM is same only na? 5 only. 7 plus 5 how much? 7 plus 8 how much? 15. 15 by 5 t power 5 minus 4 t power 7 plus c. Shouldn't we need to simplify? Cancellation means 5 ones are 5 threes are. Here the options given in terms of cos 3x also, that's why I'll take only in this t square I will take common, not t square, t power 4 I will take common. If I take t power 4 common, what remaining? 3t minus 4t cube plus c. But when you substitute t value is cos 3x formula what? 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x. That's why I will take minus also common from these, minus t power 4 into 4t cube minus 3t plus c. Now substitute the t value. What is the t value? Cos x, that is minus cos power 4 means cos power 4x into 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x plus c. From this minus cos power 4x, this is a formula for which one? Cos 3x. That's why into cos 3x plus c, that is which option? Option C is the correct one. Next question, question number 59. I equal to integral e power minus x into log of e power x plus 1 dx. This is clearly the product of two functions are there. We have to use highlight rule. U, this is v dash, algebra logarithmic and exponential. U I am taking log of e power x plus 1. V dash is e power minus x. We need u dash. Log derivative is 1 by e power x plus 1. And the inner function derivative e power x plus 1 derivative is e power x. V means integral of v dash e power minus x dx. Integral e power is e power only always. And the power derivative what? Minus, that is total minus e power minus x is the v value. We know already integral u v dash formula what? uv minus integral u dash v. As for that, I equal to, I only will get u into v. What is the u? Log of e power x plus 1 into v is minus e power minus x minus integral u dash. What is u dash? E power x into, e power x by e power x plus 1 into v what? Minus e power minus x into dx. So minus right on previous. Minus e power minus x log of e power x plus 1 minus into minus plus. Here base are same, e power x into e power minus x both will get cancelled. Let only 1 by e power x plus 1 dx. This one we can't integrate directly, don't apply integral of 1 by x formula. We need to convert into standard form. Log of e power x plus 1. I will take e power x common from denominator. By taking e power x common, what will get? 1 plus 1 by e power x, we can write e power minus x dx. Take this e power x into numerator, that is minus e power minus x. So log of e power x plus 1. By taking this one into numerator, what will get? E power minus x by 1 plus e power minus x dx. If you differentiate this, one derivative 0, e power minus x derivative is what? Minus e power minus x. But here minus is not there. That's why I will add this plus is like this, minus into minus. Now clearly this is in which form? Integral f dash of x by f of x. We can write now log mod f of x. So minus e power minus x. So log of e power x plus 1 minus log mod of 1 plus e power minus x plus c. But still we need to simplify this. Minus e power minus x. So log of e power x plus 1 minus log of this, you can write 1 plus e power minus x, I can write 1 by e power x plus c. Now take LCM in this term. What remain here? Minus e power minus x into log of e power x plus 1 minus log of e power x plus 1 by e power x plus c. It is in which form? Log of a by b. What is the formula? Log a minus log b. That is minus e power minus x. So log of e power x plus 1 minus log of e power x plus 1 minus log e power x, log a minus log b. So minus e power minus x log of e power x plus 1 minus multiply inside, minus log of e power x plus 1, minus into minus plus, log e power x will becomes, x will come front, x into log e log e value how much? Clearly 1 you will get, plus c. In which option is there this terms? Check once. X plus x minus e power x. You can take log of e power x plus 1 also common. One more step. First x into 1 x we can write. In this minus is they taken common. Minus log of e power x plus 1 common. Remaining what? Minus also common. What remaining? E power minus x. Here minus of minus what? Plus 1 plus c. This term there in which option? Check in option C. Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 60. The given integral sine power 4x by cos square x dx. This value we need to find out. Now when you can divide with the denominator, if you convert this term in the form of cos, that's why sine power 4 I am writing like this, sine square whole square by cos square x dx. Now this sine square I can write 1 minus cos square x whole square by cos square x dx. Now numerator in the form of a minus b whole square, that is integral of a square plus cos square whole square cos power 4 minus 2 cos square x divided by cos square x. Now divide with the denominator 1 by cos square, that is secant square clearly, cos power 4 by cos square, that is cos square x, cos square by cos square cancel, only 2 dx. Integral of secant square we can do, integral of 2 dx is k dx, kx plus c will get, but integral of cos square we don't know. We have formula cos square in terms of only cos formula, that is 1 plus cos 2x by 2 minus 2 into dx. Integral secant square x divided with 1, that is 1 by 2 plus cos 2x by 2 minus 2 into dx. Now we can integrate each and every value, no problem. Integral of secant square tan x. Integral of 1 by 2 dx means like k dx, kx, that means x by 2. 1 by 2 is already there. Integral of cos is sin 2x by inner function derivative is by 2 minus integral 2 dx, that is 2x plus c. Still we need to simplify. Tan x plus sin 2x by 2. 2 2s are what? 4 total. Now these two terms, x terms only. So what is the LCM? 2 x minus 2 2s are 4. So here x minus 4x by 2 plus c. Now here tan x plus sin 2x by 4. LCM if x minus 4x how much? Minus 3x by 2 plus c. In which option having all these three terms? Minus 3x by 2, okay. Plus 1 by 4 tan sin 2x and tan x plus c. Having in which option? Option C is the correct one. Question number 61. 61 is given integral e power x into f of x minus f dash of x into dx equal to pi of x. Then we need to find integral e power x into f of x dx. We need to find out. First this one integral and multiply inside. Integral e power x into f of x dx minus integral e power x into f dash of x dx equal to pi of x. Now from this I will find integral e power x, this value I will find out, interchange both. What will get? Integral e power x into f of x dx minus pi of x equal to integral e power x into f dash of x dx. This value will use later. Here now we need to find which one? Integral e power x into f of x dx. Again don't wait by taking the right side, but integral symbol is not used in the answer. That's why we need to integrate separately by using this is algebraic function, this is exponential function. So this is assumed as I u equal to f of x, v dash equal to e power x. U dash means what? F of x derivative is f dash of x. V means integral of e dash. E power x integration is e power x. Already we know formula. What formula? U into v. What u? F of x. V is e power x minus integral of u dash. What is u dash? F dash of x into v is e power x dx. This value already we got. E power x into f dash of x dx, how much? This value. So here e power x into f of x minus of integral e power x into f of x dx minus pi of x. I equal to e power x into f of x. This complete value I only na? Minus I, minus of minus plus pi of x. Completely integral term is vanished, that's why I will take C or C1 na, no problem. Now this I send this side, I plus I what? 2i e power x into f of x plus pi of x. Now send that to that side, I equal to 1 by 2 into e power x into f of x plus pi of x plus c. Your c1 is there, c1 by 2 will get again c only. So 1 by 2 into e power x into f of x plus pi of x is there in which option? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 62. Question number 62, e power integral of e power tan x sin x minus secant x dx. This value we need to find out. Check once. Now before doing integration, multiply inside e power tan x into sin x dx minus e power tan x into secant x dx. Second time I am not changing anything. First time only I will simplify. Here out I am taking, as per question, u is what here? U is clearly, if you take this one, consider u and this is v dash. Okay. Generally you take trigonometry, for easy purpose take this is u and this is v dash. U equal to e power tan x, v dash equal to sin x. Both having trigonometric functions, that's why I am taking this is u, this is v dash. U dash what you will get? E power derivative is e power into power derivative, tan x derivative secant square x. We need to find v. How to find v? Integral of v dash dx. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. Formula what for first term? U into v. What is u? E power tan x into v is minus cos x minus integral u dash. What is u dash? E power tan x into secant square x into v is minus cos x dx. Already another term what is there? Integral e power tan x into secant x dx. Minus pre-multiply minus e power tan x into cos x minus of minus plus e power tan x into secant square x into cos x. What you will get actually? One secant and cos will be cancelled. If you have doubt, I can write like this: secant x into 1 secant x, I can write 1 by cos x into already cos x is there into dx minus integral e power tan x into secant x dx. Cos cancel. Again these two terms same only but having opposite sign. Again these two terms also cancel. Now finally what you will get? Minus e power tan x into cos x plus c is the answer. These two terms are vanished completely. Now which option is correct? C in option C. Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 63. Integral e power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x plus cot square x plus pi by 4 dx. Directly is a function derivative is not present to apply e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So we need to simplify this. E power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x plus this cot square I'll convert in terms of tan square. How to convert? In terms of tan 90 minus theta. I integral e power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x plus tan square pi by 2 plus into minus is minus. This is 45. 90 minus 45 is 45 minus x dx. I integral e power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x. This also I can write like this, tan square of, because of square is there, if you take minus common also here, whole negative whole square becomes positive. That's why I can write this also like this, x minus pi by 4 dx. Now I will convert this tan in terms of secant. Tan square I can write secant square of x minus pi by 4 minus 1 dx. Why I am interchanging here, a derivative of another function minus 1 will get. Because of whole square is there, we can interchange, no issue. Now you can differentiate this, will get derivative is 1. Now for this term and for this minus 1, take LCM, secant square leave as it is. What will get? 2 tan x. This one cross multiply for which one? Minus 1. So minus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. What remaining is there? Secant square of x minus pi by 4 into dx. From this e power x into 2 tan x minus tan x, that is tan x minus 1 by 1 plus tan x plus secant square of x minus pi by 4. Already we know formula for 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is tan of pi by 4 minus x. But here reverse is there. Tan x minus 1 by 1 plus tan x means x is a first value, pi by 4 is a second value. That's why we change here also same form, x minus pi by 4 form. Integral e power x into this completely formula for tan of x minus pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 minus x is 1 minus tan by 1 plus tan. But here first x is the then 1 plus secant square of x minus pi by 4. Now clearly it is in the form of e power x into tan derivative is secant square. This is f of x, this is f dash of x. This function derivative present here. Already we have formula integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. What is f of x? Tan of x minus pi by 4 plus c is the required value, that is option B is the correct one. Next, question number 64. Integral x into e power x by 1 plus x whole square dx. This also will get same form only, but we need to simplify. First to take e power x. For this x I am adding 1 and subtracting 1 by 1 plus x whole square into dx. Now if you divide with the denominator, what you will get? E power x into 1 plus x, 1 plus x cancel, you get 1 by 1 plus x, remaining minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square into dx. Now here e power x into 1 by 1 plus x, this I can add plus into minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. 1 by x derivative is what? Minus 1 by x square. That's why this is clearly integral e power x into this is f of x, this is f dash of x. Same formula you are using. What formula? E power x into f of x. So here like this you can write e power x by 1 plus x plus c Which option is there? This one. Option A is the correct one. In option A have a correct statement. Next, question number 65. So question number 65, they give an integral of f of x into g double dash of x minus f double dash of x into g of x into dx. But in given question double derivative is there, but in options double derivative is not there, only one time derivative is there. That's why integrating only we can reduce this one into single derivative, one order derivative. Okay, that's why this is u, this is v dash. Again this is u, this is v dash. Integral f of x into g double dash of x dx minus integral g of x into f double dash of x. Because v dash only we are integrating. Okay, here u is f of x, v dash is g double dash of x. Here u is g of x, v dash is f double dash of x. The required terms find out. U dash is required, f of x derivative is f dash of x. To find v, we need to integrate v dash. Now one derivative will be simplified. V, we will get g dash of x. Next, in this u dash, g dash of x, here v means integral f double dash of x dx. F double dash will get only f dash of x. For both terms apply uv formula. Here u into v, f of x into v is g dash of x minus integral of u dash, that is f dash of x, v is g dash of x dx, minus of, here also u is g of x into v is f dash of x minus integral u dash g dash of x into f dash of x dx. See, these both terms are same only. If you multiply minus inside, minus of minus plus, these two terms gets cancelled. So finally what you will get? F of x into g dash of x minus g of x into f dash of x plus c. This term there in which option? C in the fourth, C not given, not required also. Without C also we can take. That is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 66. 66, they given integral x into log of 1 plus 1 by x dx equal to f of x into log of x plus 1 plus g of x into x square plus capital AX plus C. Here in options they given f of x, g of x, one option, and third option given a equal to 1 and d given none of these. Here this is algebraic and this is logarithmic function, this is algebraic. So u we can take log of 1 plus 1 by x, v dash we can take x. First find out u dash, log derivative 1 by 1 plus x. Derivative of this inner function, 1 derivative 0, 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. If we simplify this, take LCM, x plus 1, this x comes to numerator, total minus 1 by into x also will get x plus 1 into what is there, 1 by x square. X cancel, u dash equal to what, minus 1 by x into x plus 1. V we need to find out, we have to find integral v dash dx. X means x power 1, what integration, x square by 2. Apply formula, integral u v dash, formula is uv. What is u? Log of 1 plus 1 by x into v is x square by 2 minus u dash minus 1 by x into x plus 1 x square by 2 dx. Now x square by 2 into log of, take LCM, what will get? X plus 1 by x, minus of minus plus, 1 x value cancel, take 1 by 2 common, integral x by x plus 1 dx. So directly we can't integrate. By splitting this one, how to split? By adding 1 and subtracting 1. So here x square by 2 to log of x plus 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into integral of, I am adding 1 and subtracting 1 into dx. X square by 2 log of x plus 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into integral of, divide for x plus 1 by x plus 1, you will get 1 dx. Divide for 1 by x plus 1 dx. Now we can integrate this one easily. Here x square by 2, so log of x plus 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 also multiplying at a time. 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx is x minus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by x is log mod or log of x plus 1. No problem. Plus c. In this first term, still we can simplify because here having RHS only log of x plus 1. So we need to simplify this till x square by 2. This is in the form of log of a by b. We can write log a minus log b. Log of x plus 1 minus log x plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log of x plus 1 plus c. Multiply x square by 2 inside. X square by 2 log of x plus 1 minus x square by 2 log x plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 1 plus c. Now in these two terms, what is the common? Log of x plus 1 is common. Remaining x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 1. Next x square coefficient, what is there? Head right. Minus log x by 2 into x square, this one. And last x by 2 plus c. Now compare with that. F of x, in the place of f of x, what is there? X square by 2 minus 1 by 2. In the place of g of x square coefficient is g of x. That is what? Minus log x by 2. A is a x coefficient what? 1 by 2. Any of these three values is there in options? No. That's why this is none of these. Option D is the correct one. What they given in each option, these three terms are not there. Next. Question number 67. Integral x square into e power minus 2x dx equal to e power minus 2x into ax square plus bx plus c plus d. Here in options they are asking a, b, c values. One small correction, option B and option C given same. In option B change, c is given minus 1 by 2, that change into plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now you need a, b, c values. That's why I will do one thing, no need to integrate these values. I will differentiate on both sides. Okay. Differentiating on both sides. Differentiation means integration will be cancelled. X square into e power 2x. Here it apply u into v formula, derivation. Okay. So e power minus 2x, u into v dash. V dash means a into x square derivative 2x, that is 2ax plus b. Next, ax square plus bx plus c into u dash. U dash means e power minus 2x derivative is e power minus 2x. Again minus 2x derivative is minus 2, total minus 2 e power minus 2x. D derivative 0. Okay. Now in this all terms e power 2x I can eliminate. Okay. Now x square equal to what remaining here? 2ax plus b. Multiply with minus 2 here. Minus 2ax square. Next minus 2bx minus 2c. Now compare x square coefficient everything. Okay. Before that x square equal to first minus 2ax square. X take common means what you will get? 2a minus 2b into x remain a constant b minus 2c. Now I'll compare coefficient of x square x and constant. Comparing coefficients of x square x and constant terms. X square coefficient left side 1, right side is only minus 2a. So from this a value what? Minus 1 by 2. Next x coefficient left side is there nothing, 0. Right side 2a minus 2b equal to 0. 2a equal to 2b, 2 cancel. b also equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. Next last constant, left side nothing, b minus 2c. So a 2c equal to b, your negative value check once, any positive or negative, minus 2ax whole square, minus of, okay, minus 2bx, minus 2c, no problem. Now from this, next, c is equal to what? b by 2. A value in negative we got, minus 2ax square only have, minus 2ax square, okay. Now b by 2 means what? C is equal to how much you will get? B by 2. B means how much is there? Minus 1 by 2, that is total minus 1 by 4. But the given options in the form of A value plus 1, B value minus 1. Now actually they given option C but by simplifying this, but all three values we got negative only. A comma B comma C, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4. In case if you multiply with 2, this one common term, multiply with 2, what you will get? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. But these values are not given in any option. Minus 1 by 2 will get by multiplying with 2, that is minus 1 by 2. But all options given, first option, if you multiply with completely minus also means, for example, if you multiply with minus 2 only, it is possible to get. If you take multiply with minus 2 means, then what you will get? Only 1, 1. Here what you will get? Minus 2 by minus of minus plus 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So 1, 1, 1 by 2 is the answer. But they given option C, this is wrong. Don't take option C because they given A is a positive, but A also negative only will come as per this concept. If integrate also will get same notation only. All three terms are negative or positive. But negative option is not given, all three. But first option you can check. In first option, all are positive is given. That's why take option A. Next question number 68. 68 integral log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square minus 1 dx. This value we need to find out. Again options given in terms of log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 only. I will consider log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 is t. Reason this, if we differentiate this, we will get this expression 1 by x square minus 1 dx is present in the function. For easy purpose, I will write this one like log of a by b means log a minus log b equal to t. Differentiate this one. By differentiating log derivative 1 by x minus 1, inner function derivative 1 only. So 1 by 1 plus x or x plus 1, no problem. Inner function derivative is 1 into dx equal to dt. Take LCM. LCM is what? X minus 1 into x plus 1. X plus 1 minus of x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 1 into dx equal to dt. Here x cancel, minus of minus plus 2. 2 by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Dx equal to dt. Send the 2 that side. Dx by x square minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 dt. Yes, it is present in the function. 1 by 2 is a constant, take common, this is integral t, that is t square into dt. So only t if you take, later we will get t square, t dt, 1 by 2 already common, dx by x square plus 1 we got already. Now integral of t, what will get? T square by 2 plus c. Now t square by 2 means a total 1 by 4. T means what? Log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. Now 1 by 4, log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square is there in which option? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 69. 69 is given integral sin x into cos x into cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 8x dx. This one you can make into single function finally. First, I will divide and multiply with 2. 2 sin x cos x into cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 8x. 1 by 2 into 2 sin x cos x formula what? Sin 2x into cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 8x. Again to apply formula sin 2 sin a cos a, 2 is not there. Again I am multiplying dividing with 2. Now this function will changes to 2 sin a cos a, again formula. Here 1 by 4 integral sin 2a, 2 into 2x is 4x into cos 4x into cos 8x dx. Again to apply sin 2a formula, 2 is not there, that's why dividing with 2, multiply with 2. 1 by 8, again this one changes to sin 2 into 4, that is 8x. What remaining left? Cos 8x dx. Again you can multiply and divide with 1 by 2. It's 1 by 16. Again sin 2a formula, sin of 2 into 8x is 16x dx. Now finally we got single function, integral of sin we know formula, 1 by 16, integral of sin is what? Minus cos 16x by inner function derivative 16 plus c, total plus into minus is minus 1 by 16, 16s are 256 into cos 16x plus c. This value there in which option? Option B. Repeatedly applying cos sin 2a formula, that's all. Next, question number 70. Now this one based on mixed concept, all concept they can give related. E power x plus e power minus x plus e power x minus e power minus x sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. This is the function is given. We need to simplify this. See once. Integral e power x plus e power minus x plus e power x minus e power minus x. Sin x formula is in terms of submultiple 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by we have formula 1 plus cos x formula or 1 plus cos x only in terms of cos 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Here 1 cancel. Now what term is left in denominator? The term is left in denominator is 2 cos square x by 2. Divide with the denominator for both terms. First e power x plus e power minus x by 2 into cos square, so 2 by value 2 into cos square x by 2 plus e power x minus e power minus x 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel. What are the terms left remaining? e power x minus e power minus x. 1 by cos square is called secant square. Secant square x by 2 into dx. I will take one term plus integral of e power x minus e power minus x. Remaining what left? Sin by cos, tan x into dx. As for this notation, we are taking here, this one I am not changing anything, only this I will simplify. I will take, this is u and this is v dash. Okay, first one I am not changing anything. Let's take it as equation number 1. I will take this separately. Integral tan x into e power x minus e power minus x dx. This trigonometry is exponential, last priority. U equal to tan x, v dash equal to e power x minus e power minus x. U dash, derivative of tan x is, sorry, x by 2 ma, sorry for that, x by 2 angle, not x. Tan x by 2 derivative is secant square x by 2 into x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. V means we need to integrate this. E power x minus e power minus x dx. Integral of e power x is e power x minus integral of minus e power x is, that is minus of minus plus e power minus x. That is a v we got. Now from this, I equal to u, that is tan x by 2 v e power x plus e power minus x minus u dash secant square x by 2 is there already into v e power x plus e power minus x dx. This value substitute in this equation 1. If you substitute means already this is positive and this is negative, both will cancel from 1. What is the answer you will get? Only tan x by 2 into e power x plus e power minus x. This both terms will be cancelled. I am not writing again. Plus c will get, because by substituting this value in this, in the place of this value, this is a positive and this is negative. Both will cancel, get only tan x by 2 into e power x plus e power minus x. The integral term is vanished, that's why I am taking plus c. In which option is there? Option A is the correct one. Next, question number 71. Integral cos 5x plus cos 4x by 1 minus 2 cos 3x into dx. Now first one, numerator in the form of cos c plus cos d. What is cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 divided by 1 minus 2. Now in this cos 3x we can write in the form of like cos a formula. Cos a in terms of only cos is what? 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Like that, this I can write 2 cos square 3x by 2 minus 1 into dx. 2 cos 9x by 2 cos 5x minus 4x, that is x by 2, by multiply with minus 2 here, 1 minus 4 cos square 3x by 2 minus of minus plus 2. Take this 2 outside. 2 into integral, first I will add cos x by 2. This cos 9x I can write cos of 3 into 3x by 2. By denominator what? 1 plus 2, that is 3 minus 4 cos square 3x by 2 into dx. Now from this, 2 into cos x by 2. Cos 3a formula what? Cos 3a, this is a is what? 3x by 2. Cos 3a formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a by 3 minus 4 cos square 3x by 2. If I take common only cos 3x by 2, we will get 4 cos square minus 3. But here 3 minus 4 cos square is there. That's why I will take common minus cos 3x by 2. 2 into cos x by 2, which I am taking common is minus cos 3x by 2 is common. Or if still you have doubt, means you take common minus from denominator only, better. Take only your cos 3x by 2 common. Now what will becomes 4 cos square 3x by 2 minus 3. I will take minus common in denominator. What you will get? 4 cos square 3x by 2 minus 3. So both terms are same, it gets cancelled. Send that minus to the numerator. Minus 2 take inside. 2 cos, what is the highest angle? Cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. We have formula 2 cos A cos B. What formula? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. That formula applying here. Cos of A plus B, A is 3x by 2, B is x by 2, minus integral of cos of A plus B, 3x by 2 plus x by 2, what? 4x by 2, that means 2x, plus cos of A minus B, 3x minus x, 2x by 2, that is x dx. So minus of integral sin cos integration is sin 2x by 2. Integral of cos x is only sin x, plus C. This term there in which option? Option D is the correct one. Next, 72. Integral cos x minus sin x plus 1 minus x by e power x plus sin x plus x dx. Okay, in this term, clearly denominator having e power x, but in numerator e power x is not present completely. That's why I'll add and subtract e power x for this. E power x and I'll take plus cos x plus 1 is one set of values. I will take minus of, for this two minus is there, that's why minus common. I am writing e power x plus sin x plus x. If you simplify, again e power x cancel, you will get minus sin x and minus x will get. By e power x plus sin x plus x dx. They given RHS also for this, we will check later. Now divide with the denominator, e power x plus cos x plus 1 by e power x plus sin x plus x dx. Minus, if you divide for this, what? Both same, cancel, you get 1 dx. What is the derivative of denominator? E power x derivative e power x, sin x derivative cos x, x derivative 1. Clearly it is in which form? Integral f dash of x by f of x. We can write log mod of f of x, e power x plus sin x plus x. Integral of 1 dx, that is x plus c. Right side what they given? They given log of f of x plus g of x plus c. Now this is f of x and this is g of x. G of x is minus x. By comparing with that, RHS, f of x is e power x plus sin x plus x. G of x clearly what? Minus x. Now they are asking f of x plus g of x. By adding this to which is cancel, x cancel, we will get e power x plus sin x. Now which option is correct? Option B is the correct one.